Hello students, how are you? And what about your study? Please do your homework timely and don't waste your time by watching TV or playing games on mobiles. Please avoid that. Be serious. You have enough time for study. So please concentrate on study. Now, today we are going to learn how to multiply and divide fractions. Okay, now we study how to multiply fractions and proper fractions, mixed fractions, etc. Now I explain multiplication division by taking some examples. First, multiply 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. 2 by 3 multiply 3 by, we have 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. We have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 into 3 and 3 into 5. 2 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 5. 2 3 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 10. Is it clear? Now we have to write in lowest term. So 6 and 15. We can cancel out 6 and 15. Common factor of 6 and 15 is 3. So 3 2 ja and 3 5 ja 2 upon 5. Okay. Now next example, 2 into 5 by 3. Okay. 2 is a natural number, so we have to change it in fractions. So we put 1 in place of denominator. 2 by 1 means 2 into 5 by 3. Then we multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 2 5 ja 10 upon 3. Okay. Have you any problem? No. So if there is no denominator, so you have to write 1. Third, 7 upon 4 into 12. Same is 7 upon 4 into 12 upon 1. We have to write 12 as 12 upon 1. You can cancel out because factor of 4 and common factor of 4 and 12 is 4. 4 1 ja 4 3 ja. Now 7 into 3 and 1 into 1. 7 3 ja 21 upon 1 or 21. Okay. Have you any problems? Don't take LCM of the denominator. Okay. It is multiplication, not addition. So you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay, now some examples of division. Divide 2 by 3 by 3 by 4. Okay, now we have 2 upon 3 and put the sign of division and write 3 upon. Now 2 upon 3, you have to write 2 upon 3 as it is, and you have to change, you have to convert division to multiplication and inverse of 3 upon 4, 4 upon 3. You know, division is the inverse of multiplication, so we have to put the sign of multiplication and inverse the fractions. Okay, 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 into 4 and 3 into 3. Numerator, multiplication of numerator by numerator and denominator to denominator. 4 2 is 8 and 3 3 is 9. Okay. Now, second example. Divide 4 by 8 upon 9. Okay. 4 divided by 8 upon 9. 4 upon 1. 4 is natural number, so we have to convert in fractions. So 4 upon 1 divided by 8 upon 9. You have to write 4 upon 1 as it is, and division changing to multiplication, and inverse of 8 upon 9 is 9 upon 8, and then common factor of 4 and 8 is 4. So 4 1 ja, and we can cancel by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 2, 1 into 9 and 1 into 2, 9 by 2. Okay, now we take some more example of division. Third, 12 by 90 divided by 4. Okay, 12 by 90 you have to write as it is, then change the sign, and reciprocal of 4 upon 1 is 1 upon 4. Okay, now you can cancel out by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 3 ja 3 into 1, and 19 into 1 is equal to 3 upon 19. 12 upon 90 divided by 4. You can write 4 to 4 upon 1 as 4 upon 1. Now 12 upon 19, change the sign and inverse the fraction 1 upon 4. 4 upon 1, inverse of 4 upon 1 is 1 upon 4. Then we can cancel out from by 4. 4 1 ja 4 3 ja. So 3 into 1 3, and 19 into 1 19. 3 upon 19. Okay, now we take some example of mixed fraction. 4 is to 3 upon 7 divided 6 is to 2 upon 3. Okay, so first we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 7 ja 28 plus 3 31 upon 7. You have already learned how to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. 6 3 ja 18 plus 2 20 upon 3. Okay, now 31 upon 7 we convert division into multiplication and then write the inverse of 20 upon 3. So 3 upon 20. Now 31 into 3 and 7 into 20 multiply 93 and 140. Okay, you can do easily. You can take some questions from the textbook and do it. Students, I have given you notes on integers and fraction. So you have to study that notes very carefully and then solve the question and watch the video carefully. I am saying again, okay? Now I will explain decimals, how to change decimal into fraction and fraction into decimal in my next lecture. Okay, thank you.